Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3. Most wave 3s do go to the 161.8, which is why I still think this has got a lot of upside left, and then eventually I think it needs to make a wave 4 and make a wave 5 just to finish out this trend that started way back here. And this is the monthly time frame, so you have to figure that this is potentially going to be another 6 months, maybe even a year before this actually does end this uptrend. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is a wave 1, I think this is a wave 2, and I think we're just looking at subdivisions of a wave 3. I think this right here is actually an ABC crescent to the uptrend, and I still think we're going to go up to that 161.8, which is right around the $2,550 area just to finish off a wave 3. Then we're going to have to make a wave 4 and a wave 5, just like I was showing on the much higher time frame. So heading down to the daily, I am definitely still pretty confident that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which makes me think this is a wave A. I think this is like a double zigzag wave B scenario, and I think that we are very likely in a wave C. Now wave C's definitely can make higher lows from wave A's. So if it does bounce off like the 78%, go up and break structure, I would definitely get long. If it goes down to the 100%, break structure there, I would definitely get long. I don't know whether it's going to hold it to 78, the 100, or maybe even down to the 123. I just know that when it's over, we definitely should be able to recognize it, and we definitely need to go long for the continuation of this big wave 3. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely looks like a downtrend, probably likely a 1, 2. This is probably likely a 3. This is probably likely a 4, and we're likely in a wave 5 now. So like I said, if we do get a big Fibonacci bounce, we do have some news coming out today, so if we do get a big bounce, nice break of structure, it could be the end of a wave 5, and if this is the end of a wave 5, that would be the end of a wave C, and it would be a really good entry to go long for the continuation of this big wave 3 uptrend on the much higher time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it definitely could be in a wave 5 like I was just explaining. There's definitely no evidence that the wave 5 is over yet. There's no break of structure, and it kind of looks to me like this is a 1, a 2, a 3 in here. Maybe we're in a wave 4 and we need to go down one more time to make a wave 5. I still think this 78% down here is kind of likely, but I would definitely keep an eye on this smaller 78% right here, because if it does make a bounce, if it does break structure, especially if it happens at today's news for the US dollar, I think that would prove this is the end of a trend, and if this is the end of a trend, then it's most likely the end of a wave C, and it's most likely the continuation of that big wave 3 uptrend, which like I said, my target for this wave 3 is still the $2,550 area, which is still a long ways to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website linked down here, which gives you access to all my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.